emergency update on pretty much all coins are showing this exact same thing. This is Bitcoin Cash, and we've been in this accumulation pattern, and we just had this drop that just came in. Oops, sorry. So this drop right here, let me see where we're at right now, actually. And let's take that off. Let's look at that. That doesn't help. Okay, it looks like it's already starting to go up. It dropped down to, Bitcoin Cash dropped down to 428. Perfect buying opportunity, by the way. And we might see it drop a little bit more, but anything below this, you can't go wrong, because likely within 24, 48 hours, within that, we'll end up launching. And here's what I think is going on. If we look at Wyckoff, if you don't know who Wyckoff is, look him up. Daniel Wyckoff, 105 Titans in stock market analysis in the 1920s, I believe. And he detailed the patterns to look for with, he says all stocks are manipulated. Anyway, getting back, he has Wyckoff accumulation. He identifies a pattern and a perfect opportunity. I mean, there's investors who look for these spring tests. Okay, that's where it drops below the trading region. Okay, and that's kind of the line I drew on Bitcoin Cash. But again, all coins are showing this. So I lined up Wyckoff with Bitcoin Cash, and you could see the identifying marks. And so we have this here, and we have the selling climax. We have the automatic rally, a secondary test. Now this is phase A. So there's A, B, C, and then there's D and E. So C is your spring, and that is the beginning now of where you're going to start taking off. All right, so we have, again, A, B, and then C would be over here on the edge. But we have automatic rally, secondary test. There's a secondary test in B, and you could have multiple secondary tests. So it looks like we might have had a second secondary test in B, and then we kind of pumped up here going into C. So this little pump up, and now we're going into our spring, or we just hit the bottom, one of the two. As you can see, a lot of times it lines up with the secondary test. Okay. And so that would kind of line up with that secondary test right there. All right, so that's what I think it's going on.